All right, what's up, everybody? This is Zach, San Diego Harley. We have our 2026 Street Glide Limited, and we also have our 2026 CVO Street Glide 3 Limited, which is basically the trike version of this here bike. So starting in the front, you get the big Brembos, nice powder-coated wheels, and this paint is insane. On these bikes, you actually get the variable valve timing, 121. It's gonna give you a much better power band as you're going through those different gears with that variable valve timing. You also got the really sweet, specific to the CVOs, floorboards, brake arm, grips, shifters, everything like that you're getting on the CVOs. You also get the Stage 2 Rockford Fosgate audio already done for you. Not a whole lot of bells and whistles you got left to do to this thing. And then when you come in the back over here, full-size tour pack, super sparkly. That's how we like it down here. And the CVOs, you actually get a bunch of cool stuff. You get the Pack Talk Edge. You get the CVO bag liners. You also get the rider backrest, which, if you take a look at the exhaust, you got the really nice gloss black heat shields on this thing, which really just make them pop on this bike. And of course, you know, with the CVOs, you get the exclusive paint that they're only doing for that 1 year. Harley is going to significantly cut back on CVO production, which just make these bikes that much more desirable. And you're not going to have someone else pull up next to you with the same similar paint scheme. This is the Citrus Heat on the Street Glide Limited and the CVO Street Glide 3 Limited. Crazy thing about this paint is when you have it in the showroom, it really doesn't do it justice. You got to get this thing outside in the sun and really see that paint pop. Even like down to the tappet blocks down here on your motor, you're getting that color accent that's going with the rest of the bike that really just makes it look pretty cool. And then now coming over to the CVO Street Glide 3 Limited, you're getting a lot of those same amenities that you're getting on the two-wheel version, except some cooler things. Like for 2026 on the trikes, they actually went to independent rear suspension. It's gonna make these handles so much better than the previous generations. So when you're going through those corners, this is really hugging the road, you're doing less counter steering with your body, and you're just feeling a little more confident when you're riding this thing. You have the rider backrest set up, same style as that you'll get on the Street Glide. You also get the full-size tour pack, same as the other Street Glide. Same goodies and more. So you get this really nice Harley-Davidson bag that comes with it as well. So you're not only just getting a bike, you're getting memberships to the Hog chapter. You're getting extra goodies with this thing. Who doesn't like more free stuff? Another favorite thing of mine that they did for 2025, now brought it over into 2026, is the new lower design. On both of these models, you're getting the extra lighting that's in the front. So when you're going down the highway, you're gonna be seen. You're gonna see any of those little nails on the road that you don't wanna run over. And they come with the speakers already done for you. So Rockford Stage 2 audio in the fairing, in the lowers, even in the tour pack here. Just look at that paint, man. This thing is insane. So if you are interested in a CVO trike, CVO Street Glide, come down to San Diego Harley. It's sunny 7 days a week here. And when you come down here, make sure you ask for me. I'm Zach. Happily take you out for a test ride. We're having our Red, White, and Boom event going on. So come down for a test ride. Get me out of here for a little bit. I love riding bikes. It's my favorite part about this job. Let's go ride some Harleys and find the next one for you. See you later.